Welcome to your online course at Santa Rosa Junior College. I'm going to be using the Canvas Learning Management System for my online courses, and I wanted to give you a quick little rundown of how I have the courses set up in Canvas. If you're new to Canvas, this will definitely be helpful, and if you haven't taken any online courses from me, this will be helpful. All of the courses that I teach online are navigated and run in the same fashion. So I'm going to start at the Santa Rosa Junior College main webpage, go to Online Learning, and click Canvas. This will take you to the login screen. At the login screen, you want to use your regular login, which is your SIS student number, along with the regular password that you use to add, drop, register for classes. After you log in, you'll go to your dashboard. The dashboard will have course cards for each of the courses that you're registered in. You can use the course card to access any of the online courses that you're taking. If you don't see the course card on your dashboard, but the class has started, you can go to the courses icon, click all courses, and then click the star next to the course to add it to your dashboard. Before you get started, if you haven't done so already this semester, you want to set your account and notification preferences. I send out announcements at least once, usually twice a week, reminding you of assignments that are due and things that are coming up or any changes to our schedule. You want to make sure that you get those notifications however you prefer, via email, via text, whatever works for you. To set your notifications, you're going to go to your account button and click Notifications. From here, you can set up email addresses and cell phone numbers in your settings, and then choose how you want to be notified depending on what the item is. So you have the option of notify me right away, sending a daily summary, sending a weekly summary, and to not notify of anything. Certain items like cell phone only have the option of notify me right away or don't send anything. They can't do a daily or weekly summary. However, email can do both for the different options. You can get notifications for due dates, grading policies, course content, etc. The list goes on and on. Once you set your notifications, go ahead and head back to your dashboard and then click the course card for the course that you're taking. All of the courses that I teach in Canvas are again formatted in the exact same manner. So it doesn't matter which course I'm demonstrating here because your course will be formatted in the same way. I'm going to use this Access course just because it's already completed and all the information is available. Once you click the course card, you'll be on the home page. The home page will give you navigation links here on the left that are course specific. These are global navigation in the blue area, and those are specific to Canvas. These navigation links are specific to your course. You have a link for home, which is where I am right now, to view the syllabus, to view any announcements that I post, to go to the modules and the grades. Modules is going to be where you spend the majority of your time. So you want to make sure you have that link available to you. On the home page, there's also another link here for modules, as well as links to course dates, the syllabus, and the main Santa Rosa Junior College page. Basic information is always posted on this home page as well. So I'm going to jump into the syllabus. And again, this syllabus is for the Access course. Your syllabus will look very similar, but it will be specific to your course. The syllabus just includes general information about the course, content and objectives, information about me, how you can contact me. The best way is via email. Canvas has its own email in the inbox area that you can use as well. My online office hours are Wednesdays from 5 to 7, and usually Fridays I'm there from actually 9 to 11, 9 to 10, 9 to 11, sometime around that time. Textbook information is on here. Required software. You can use the computer labs on campus. They have all the newest software. Important dates. Information about dropping the class. It is your responsibility to drop the class if you decide this isn't for you. You can also opt for pass, no pass. Assignments can be submitted late, but there is a 10% per day penalty for the assignments that are submitted late. Quizzes, midterms, and finals must be submitted on time. Grading scale is your basic grading scale. And then student code of conduct. This is what is expected of you as a student. And you can also read on here what's expected of me as your instructor. Below that, you'll see a summary also of all of your assignments that are due in class with their due dates. I'm going to scroll back up to the top to get to the modules. And again, the modules are where you're going to spend the majority of your time. Each week there will be a new module available for you. This class has completed, so I have week 8 at the top. The current week will always be at the top of your module list, but all other weeks will be below that. If the module is collapsed, meaning you can only read the title, you just need to click on the triangle next to it to expand the module and read all the information. A typical week will include reading the lecture, which accompanies the textbook, completing 1 or more assignments, and completing a quiz. You can click on any of these links to access those items. Canvas uses icons to denote the different items that you'll see. So for example, the paper is a page. It's just reading information. There'll be links on there. There's videos on there, different things like that. The one with the pencil is an assignment. It shows you the due date and the points value of this assignment. A rocket ship is a quiz. Again, it'll show you the due date and the points value. A discussion posting is shown with 2 bubbles. Again, this is a graded discussion. Not all discussions are graded. It shows the points value and the due date. Up here at the top, we also have a Q&A. This is a general forum that you can use to ask any questions of myself or of the class. It's not a graded discussion, so there's no due date, no points value. I have also on here the companion site for the textbook where you can download the data files. Not all classes have data files, but those that do will have a companion site, or I'll have a link to them on Dropbox if you don't have them. Classes will also have a checklist. The checklist is a summary also of assignments, quizzes, and discussions that are due with their point value and due date. This is often easier for students because it's a printable fashion. You can print this one out and mark them off as you go. At any time, you can check your grades by clicking on the grades link. This will show you each assignment that's due in class and how you fared on it, along with summaries for each week and how you did percentage-wise. So that's it for the navigation. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm looking forward to working with you, and I will be online and seeing you soon. Have a great day.